In this video I'll show you how to buy USDC on Coinbase. I'll show you how to do so both on Coinbase Beginners and Coinbase Advanced. Let's start with Coinbase Beginners. So once you're on the home page, click on Buy and type USDC. Click on USDC, and here you'll need to choose how much you want to put in USDC. For me, the currency is Euro. For you, it might be USD, GBP, whatever your currency is. Choose how much you want to put in. So let's say I want to buy 100 euros of USDC. I'll type 100, or you can also choose a specific amount of USDC you want to buy. So to do so, click on USDC here in blue, and you can choose how much USDC you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy exactly 100 USDC. I'll type 100, and then you need to choose how you want to pay for it. Now click here, and here you can choose to pay with your cash wallet. So for me it says Euro wallet, for you it might be USD wallet, GBP wallet. This is the best method because it has the lowest fees. If you don't know how to deposit money on your Coinbase account, go check out the video I've already made on the channel. Or you can also pay with Google Pay, Apple Pay, credit card, debit card, Visa, MasterCard. So click on your preferred payment method, click on Review Order. Here it will show you a summary of your order, and click on Buy. Once everything is done, you'll see your USDC here in My Assets and then Crypto. Now I'll show you how to buy USDC on Coinbase Advanced. So go to the home page and click here on the button with the candles at the top. You'll switch to Coinbase Advanced. Once you're on the home page, click here where it says search for a market, type USDC, and then followed by your currency. So for me that's USDC Euro. Here it is. For you it might be USDC USD or USDC GBP, whatever your currency is. Click on it. I'll click on USDC Euro, and here once you're on this interface, click on Buy. Now if your currency is Euro, it will say that it's limited to limit only market. A limit order means let's buy USDC at this specific price. So you're not buying it right now, but you have to set a specific price. So as you can see here, I can only choose limit, I cannot choose market. Market means let's buy now, limit means let's buy at this specific price, and when it reaches this price, it will be bought. So here in limit price, you'll need to choose a price. Now the price of 1 USDC is 0.8820 euros. So let's say I want to buy USDC at 0.88 euros. I'll click here, I'll type 0.88, or if you want to buy it as soon as possible, choose the price that is the closest to the current price. So let's say 0.8819. I'll type 0.8819, click on Done. And then here in amount, you need to choose how much money you want to put in. So let's say I want to put in 100 euros. I'll click here. I'll type 100 euros. It will tell me that I'll receive 113.39 USDC. I'll click on Done. I'll click on Buy. Or you can also choose to buy a specific amount of USDC. So click here on your currency, toggle to USDC. And here you need to choose how much USDC you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 100 USDC. I'll type 100. It will tell me that I'll spend 88 euros and 19 cents. I'll click on Done, and I'll click on Buy. And since this is not a market order but a limit order, you will not have your USDC right away because it needs to reach the price first. So once the price reaches the price you've set, you'll see your USDC here in portfolio, and then overview and crypto.